I just signed my first ever UGC deal with the brand on a 1-year retainer, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you. In today's video, I'll be walking through the exact steps I took to find the brand, how I landed the retainer deal, and some of the bumps I've experienced along the way. If you're new here, my name is Ethan Weems, and I am a freelance video editor. And while that's my main source of income, I've decided to explore other side hustles in 2025, one of which is becoming a UGC creator. So what exactly is a UGC creator? UGC stands for user-generated content. Essentially, it's content created by individuals like you and me that brands use for advertising. Companies love working with UGC creators because it's seen as more trustworthy and authentic compared to traditional ads. UGC has become a booming industry, and I've been eager to dive into it. Let's rewind to how I stumbled upon this opportunity. Believe it or not, signing a yearly deal wasn't even part of my plan, and here's exactly how it happened. I follow several creators on Instagram who are also in the video editing niche. And one day I came across a sponsored video from a creator that I admire. He was showcasing an AI tool that looked incredibly useful for my own video editing work, and naturally I was intrigued, and I decided to take action by sending the company a direct message on Instagram. In the message, I included a link to one of my YouTube videos and explained how their tool could be valuable for my channel and my audience. And at first I didn't hear back, but a few days later something unexpected happened, and I received an email from the company's marketing specialist. And she explained to me that they were looking for creators to film content for their YouTube channel. And this email felt like a door opening to a whole new opportunity. I was instantly interested, and we quickly scheduled a meeting to discuss the details. They wanted me to create 4 videos per month, and in return, I would be paid $1,000 on a retainer basis. And what really stood out to me was their preference for long-term partnerships rather than one-off projects. For me, this was an immediate green flag. I've always preferred working with clients on long-term projects because it builds trust and consistency. And after a few days of clarifying the terms, I signed the contract. Now I'm officially on a 1-year retainer with this company, earning a guaranteed $1,000 per month. If you're ever negotiating with brands, I highly recommend asking for long-term partnerships. Being a consistent face for a brand not only enhances your credibility, but it also provides steady income. Now let's talk about how the first month has been. For this agreement, it requires me to film 4 videos per month. While I don't have to worry about the scripting or editing, filming the first video did come with its own set of challenges. It took me about 30 minutes to film, which isn't too bad, but I found myself constantly looking back and forth between the script and the camera. This was frustrating and made the process feel longer than it needed to be. To solve this, I decided to invest in a teleprompter. And after doing some research, I found an affordable option on Amazon, the Embitful teleprompter kit. And it honestly has been a total game changer, and filming has been so much quicker and smoother. So if you're considering creating UGC content, I highly recommend getting a teleprompter. It'll save you time and make you look more professional on camera. So if you're interested, I'll have the teleprompter linked in the description down below. And also, I'm new to reading a teleprompter on my camera, so I'm still learning on how to read it and make it sound more as natural as possible. So bear with me as I'm still learning with reading off a teleprompter. But let me know in the comments if you want me to make a full review video on it. So after filming, I did do some basic editing, mostly cutting out dead space to reduce the file size before I sent it over. And this did streamline the sharing process and ensured the final video met their expectations. And if you're just starting out as a UGC creator, you do not need to overthink the editing if that's required with your contract. Just focus on delivering clear, engaging content. For those of you looking to sign your first UGC deal, here's my advice. You want to research and outreach. Follow creators in your niche and take note of the brands that they're working with. And reach out to these companies with a personalized message explaining how you can add value. And the next thing you want to do is showcase your work. And you can do this with including links to your previous content so the brand can see your style and expertise. Even if you're new to UGC, having a portfolio or relevant examples helps build credibility. Be persistent and don't be discouraged if you don't get a response right away. And you also want to follow up politely and reaching out to other brands, because it only takes one yes to get started. And as I mentioned, a teleprompter has been a huge time saver for me. Small investments in tools or equipment can significantly improve your workflow and quality. And this journey into UGC has been an exciting new chapter for me. If you're thinking about becoming a UGC creator, I hope this video inspires you to take that leap. And remember, anyone can do this. All it takes is willingness to learn, practice, and putting yourself out there. And if you have any questions about being a UGC creator, drop them down below in the comments. I've also started a free Discord community where we can share tips, feedback, and opportunities. And the link for that will be in the description, so feel free to join. And also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.